my mate Mike, Mihao. We are going on a little adventure today. We are going to the 4 waterfalls in Brecon, whatever it's called, in Wales. It's about just over 2-hour drive. Gotta go get petrol, go pick him up. We'll be on his way. Until then, I think it's gonna be quite a boring drive. I'm pretty sure it's just motorway, but yeah, we'll see. That is the car fueled up. 60 quid for a full tank. It's actually not that bad. Currently driving to Mike's. He's just finished work literally a minute ago. By the time I get to his house, he should be there and all ready. So let me introduce you to Mike. Who we got here then? Big Micah. Of Wales. What is going on? This is a rough fucking drive, this one. Hey, up going over a little bridge then. What's this then? Get a little pan over the bridge. What's down there? Oh yeah, that's fucking lovely. Body of water. Here we go then. Shit! It's fucking screaming, boys! Here we go. We've just started our hike. Mike's happy. You know his card declined. I had to pay for parking, little rat. So he's gonna get me a pint later, but I'm gonna hold him to that. Look at the ferns. How many shades of green there is?
I reckon there's at least 50.
I reckon there could be more, to be fair.
Julian.
King Julian, bro.
Hey! Whoa! Stop that. I nearly got munched.
What, did he actually, what, did he try to bite you?
He went for my bag.
Alright, that is the pussiest way to... That James Bond! Shit! Alright, well, I've lost Mike. I'm gonna tell you where he is, but I'm gonna keep trekking on because I think we've gone the wrong way. So if I quickly just go explore what is on this other side, then I know I can quickly turn back and warn Mike. Because I really think we are. I've been walking along here for like 5 minutes now. Right, well, I'm turning back because I got to a dead end. So I'm gonna come back the way I just came. Hopefully bump into Mike again, because he could be dead. Well, I find Mike. Ooh. Oh, what was that, 3? First waterfall, Silwood, Clungwyn. Down these steps, I can hear it. Guess we just got to follow this down here. But yeah, what was that noise? Shallow? Shallow. Go on then. Liverpool. Kader Skvd. I reckon you banged that too fair. Yeah. Travel influencers be like, fuck it out. What's he doing down there? There we go, I found him. But he's just...
Right, jump.
You're gonna do on then?
Oh, hold my phone.
Fuck it up. Cold. You comfy? Very alive. Boy. Boy.
fact. My verdict is someone's gonna fucking die within the next 10 minutes on this trip. But oi, beavers have been doing their thing here. Look at that bad boy. What do you think?
Beavers need to start their work. I mean, water's still going through.
Yeah, they've been slacking.
They're doing half a job.
They've been slacking.
Back at the top, I can see why these benches are here. I'm sitting. So we're now here. Our car park is actually off the map. We thought we could do a loop, but nah. We have to go all the way back, see that waterfall we just seen, and then back up this red. What have we got here? Craigie dinners? I'll take a Craigie dinner. Right, whilst I'm walking, let's give you a little update. It's my first video. I'm not making these videos to go viral or be famous. I'm literally just documenting me and my friend's little adventure. Things you can look forward to, if any of you are looking forward to it, because I won't be. It's pretty shit. Is we're going to Dubai in 2 weeks for a week. I'll make videos there, jet skis, quad bikes, all your fucking, all that. And then after, I've got a week off in October, early October, so I'm gonna book something there. I might just go to Paris or something for like 2 days, film a little weekend there. Then I've got Berlin and Prague in November. And then in December, I'm doing a Christmas market in Copenhagen. You've got that to look forward to as well, but that's a long way away. We're back. 7:45. So 3 hours and 45 minutes that took us. That's not that bad. I think. Oh, yeah. I mean, we are the only ones left in the car park. You know. Sorry, bud. All right. I have 28%.
I have 19.
And we got just over 2 hours of using the sat nav, so oh, it's gonna be tight. It's gonna be tight. Just turn this on. We're home. Well, Mike is. See you later, Michael. Who we got here then?
Big Micah.
Okay, now we found our first waterfall. Hey, nice. Oh shit, let me get a fucking. Oh shit. Oh, should we drink it?
Look at that. Oh no. Oh no.
Disgusting. Nah, it was actually quite nice. Oh shit. Waterfalls down here.
What?
That is the pussiest way to. That James Bond. Shit.